What's up guys, it is Ashburton and welcome to another episode of Minecraft. Today we are playing on the alien planet. As you can see, I'm not in the normal faction Magic V3 because we got insided and our ally, the gang squad, which we shared a base with, they said that I insided and yes, a whole mess was made. So yeah, make my own faction and make my own base. I still have my 4 iron golem spawners, which I were going to place in the base, but I didn't have a ground to place it in, so now I'll make one in a place I cannot tell exactly where, because then it's easier to find. Okay, so yeah, I'll be right back when I have found a area. We're back and we are just finished up with the base or sort of IG room. So yeah, I just placed all of the hoppers. Let's check if it's anything like put down here. Yeah, some sticks and threw those at. Okay, so yeah, we're going to go up and place our IGs. I think I'll just place 2 first, just to make sure that the AFK thing it works. Because it took quite a lot of time. It's like when I step on this pressure plate, I get pushed this way and then back and forth. So I don't think I think this is going to work. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully it will work. So yeah, let's just pop this to wait. Okay guys, so we are back and yes, I fixed the AFK pool or not pool really, just machine really. So yeah, I placed all the IGs and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for the short episode today, but I did not have that much time and not all that much going on except on here on Alien Planet, which I had this to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, and subscribe for more, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow.